Hey guys, this is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I have with me a 2014 BMW F800 GS. This bike's got a fuel-injected, liquid-cooled parallel twin 800cc motor, backed by a 6-speed transmission. And you can see here it's got a right side chain drive. Got your center stand here so you can do maintenance on the rear tire. Adjustable rear shock. Looks like the gas tank's back here. It's kind of cool. Got a nice rear tire here, plenty of tread. It's a dual sport type tire. This is a dual sport bike. So it's meant for on and off road. A lot of ground clearance if you do want to go off road. It's got the clear rear turn signals. Got the LED clear rear tail light. It's got a nice tour pack here. A lot of storage in this thing. And you got your rear crash bars. I'm pretty sure you can mount the hard saddlebags to those. It's a real nice classic white and black BMW paint job. Got your clear front turn signals here, match the rear. Got a nice tire here on the front, plenty of tread to match the rear as well. Got that cool classic BMW dual sport headlight. Kind of like a weird Cyclops looking thing. Shorty windshield. See how many miles we got on this 14 model. 806 low miles. Almost brand new, barely ridden, very well kept. I'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Starts up nice and easy. This bike's got ABS brakes. It's been through our service shop, so it's ready to ride. Give her a few quick revs, see how she sounds. Revs up nice and clean. It's a beautiful bike. I'll walk around the bike with you and see if we can point out any flaws or blemishes in the paint. With 800 miles, I want to expect to be many of them. Looks like you got a small rub mark here by the gas cap, right here on this rear tail fairing. Very minor. This side looks pretty good. Tank is in very good condition. I don't see anything to point out to you there. Front fender looks good. Very clean bike overall. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can see our full inventory at cleanharleys.com. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'll be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for watching.